What's the meaning of conjoint? Conjoint. Conjoint.
Conjoint. Conjoint. The term conjoint refers to something that is joined or united together. In psychology and market research, conjoint analysis is a statistical technique used to determine how people make choices based on multiple attributes. Conjoint analysis involves presenting people with product or service options that differ in multiple characteristics and measuring their preferences. This allows businesses to understand what features are most important to consumers and optimize their products accordingly. Overall, conjoint pertains to the concept of combining or uniting different elements to create a cohesive whole.